Fabric pots allow for comfortable root growth while also allowing your roots to air prune themselves. Air pruning is when roots are exposed to oxygen, dry out, and die, which forces your roots to grow more shoots. And unlike other grow pots that only have holes at the bottom for drainage, these fabric pots allow your roots to freely travel through soil and poke out of any part of the fabric. These pots are made of heavy-duty fabric that, unlike other fabric pots or PVC grow bags, won't easily tear. This is useful because water and nutrients will create buildup calcium and salt around the pot, which usually weakens the integrity of the pot. But these growing bags are meant to take lots of moisture and stand tough against the work you're going to need them to do. With regular growing pots, you run the risk of root binding, which is when your roots don't have room to grow and they begin to bind themselves together in a circle around the pot. Not only do you get protection from that, but with the Yield Lab fabric growing pots, you're guaranteed not only better plant growth, but healthier plants. These pots come in 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, and 20 gallons to optimize your goal size.